Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's quick video. RCF, GSF, RCF, GSF. Which one do I pick? I'm gonna have both. Guys, I just purchased this Lexus RCF to add to the collection. Why? I have no freaking idea, but we just did, so let's just enjoy it. I'm kidding, guys. This is a friend's RCF, which I just installed Swift springs on, and I installed the front lip. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. So I actually cleaned up the calipers because they were pretty filthy, and I like the blue, so I wanted to see them clean. But there's the drop in the front, much better than it is stock. The wheels are sunken in a little bit. I would recommend some wheel spacers to make it look nice and flush like mine, but here's the back. Sitting nice and low. It's kind of hard to tell if it has reverse rake, but I read that these Swift springs actually don't have any rake. It's just because there's so much, the wheels are so sunken in that it kind of looks like the rear end is lower, but it actually isn't. But it rides good. I took it around the block a few times. Nice and firm, solid feel, and inspiring. He does have a muffler delete, so the car freaking sounds just like mine did before I put the Joe Z exhaust on it, and I miss this sound, the crackles, the pops. I do miss it, but man, is it loud inside, and that's the one thing I don't miss. Here's another angle for you guys. Those blue calipers, nice and clean. And then here is the front lip that I put on. It is, I believe, an eBay lip, but it actually is designed for RCF, GSF, compared to mine, which is not. But car is nice and low, sitting clean. It's a little dirty, but probably a lot of rain he was driving through. But if you guys are looking to get Swift springs, I highly recommend them because they feel pretty great. It's still very firm compared to mine on the coils, but it is a good riding car for being on just springs and stock shocks. So good looking car. Let me show you the interior. Black on black, just how I like it. Good choice. But yeah, good looking car. Tinted tail lights over here. I'll give you an exhaust clip when he takes off, but it was fun working on this car, installing this for a fellow Lexus enthusiast. So I'm going to talk to him and have him join our Chicago F Club, because I don't think I've never seen him at a meet, so he might not even know about it. So there's my neighbor's car, 392. Thing's a beast.